DJI Inspire 1 Pro. The DJI Inspire 1 Pro is a quadcopter which provides bird's eye footage. This drone has a lens of 15mm and 45mm focal length and has a single battery of 6S 5700 mAh, 22.8 volts LiPo battery. Its propellers are around 14 inches long and has a distance of 18 inches between the propellers, allowing it to move freely. Due to its sonar and optical flow sensors, it can track the moving objects and follow them as well, providing one of the best aerial footage experiences you can have. It has an average flight time of 17 to 18 minutes and captures the video footage at 4K with 30 FPS and at 1080 pixels, up to 60 frames per second. The drone offers good low-light photography, which can conclude that its images seem to be taken from a tripod in the sky. It has a zero signal lag between remote control and the quadcopter. The drone is based on the most advanced technology, has aerodynamic lightweight body, and 12-megapixel camera with 94-degree wide angle, a 360-degree camera rotation. The cost of the DJI Inspire 1 Pro is around $3,000.